Hi guys, I am making a quick video on my Barred Rock pair, and I'm going to show you their coop and stuff. So here is the rooster and the hens back there, and the rooster's right here. They're pecking that. I don't know why. So there's the rooster. I don't know if the egg is picked or not. I don't see any eggs. No eggs. So their doors are a little difficult to open. Their egg door. But here's the hen. Here's the rooster. And there's their feeders and stuff. We already fed them and watered them today. So the way they get down and up is they have this big doors for us. And there's like 3 boxes. The one all the way on the side right here is the one they get up and down. I'll show you how that works. So they just all they do is just jump down. Then there's a platform down here, and they just walk their way down. And they do the opposite just to get out. And here's the thing to close the door. You just push up to close it, leave it down if you want to keep it open. And we did have 2 Barred Rock hens, but one just randomly died. We don't know why. But we have 2 chicks coming. Actually, we got them this spring, so they're growing up, and we'll put them in there too with the rooster and hen. I have these same things for Rhode Island red chickens. I have Turkin chickens. I got this spring. We also got 1 White Rock rooster and 1. Well, we have 3 roosters. We only tried getting 2 breeding pairs, but they made a mistake, and we have 3 roosters, 4 hens, what we don't even know, and 1 of the roosters we don't know. So we ordered White Rocks, 2 Barred Rocks, Turkins, and that's all we ordered this spring. And we ended up with 3 roosters, and they're actually hanging out right here. There's the White Rock in the middle of the screen, the white one, and these are the brown ones. There's one of the chickens. Here are just chickens. It's a Barred Rock back there. It's not focusing. Yeah. So here's the chicken coop. We have 3 models now of the same thing, so it's pretty nice. I'm at my dad's house right now. The other videos are made at my mom's house. Oh, and it's a chicken tractor, so they have wheels. And you can tell this is their last day again. It's a little heavy. This one's not insulated, so it's light. But these are the handles. This one. It's kind of heavy. And that's it for this video. If you enjoyed, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.